play? Right, Raider? You want to play with a toy? You want to play? Squeak it. Oh, he turned the app off. Good snake. Good snake. Hold on. Hold on. I'm turning it back on.
You better hurry.
You broke it. You broke the app. You like it. Ah! Here. Here. Wait. Oh, shit. No, wait for it. There you go. It is insane. This is one of his favorite iPhone toys.